Hello guys, in this video I'll show you what I did to fix a stuttering on Forza Horizon 6 and also FPS drops. So what it was, basically it caused by my controller. So basically I always using my controller with Bluetooth. So what I tried to do, because I remember that with Bluetooth it can be stuttering issues, I put my controller basically to wire with a cable. And once I put my controller to a cable to my PC to play Forza Horizon 6, my stuttering issue was solved. So basically, the Bluetooth thing was the problem. And also what I did as well, you need to go to settings, then you need to go to a video settings, and then here on the video, you should see a, basically, I don't see it, but it should be VSync, and make sure VSync is completely off, and also frame rate, make sure to limit your frame rate, do not leave it on unlocked, right? So, and that's pretty much it. Just try it for yourself and look if it's fixed for you or not. So if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.